Hi, welcome to Codewars. In this series, I'm gonna solve TDD's katas using JavaScript. I'm Anatol, and you are watching the good parts of the front-end development. If this is your first time here, start now by subscribing. Let's solve today kata titled Sort and Star. You are given a vector of strings. You must sort it alphabetically and then return the first value. The returned value must be a string and have 3 asterisks between each of its letter. Okay, I need to return that string. Let's sort it alphabetically. A and B, compare them, and in case A is lower than B, then it should be a negative value, otherwise a positive value, and then take just the first element of that new sorted string. Then I need to split it, because I want to put an asterisk between each element, so I will join them using 3 asterisks. Let's try. Yes, it works. Now, this function. That means, actually, this sorting will be done by default, so I can just remove it. Let's try. Yes, and one more requirement. Use an error function here, so it will be shorter. I don't need this return. Okay. This split, these I can replace with just a string literal, and this also actually. Okay, however, I don't need this split function, because I can use a spread operator. I can spread my string into an array using spread like that, and then just join my array. Let's try this solution. Yes, it works. My code is available on GitHub. Documentation is available in the internet. Follow the links if you're eager to get more. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe to the channel and watch other episodes. Thanks for watching and dive deeper.